In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Google domain on Squarespace. If you already own a domain through Google and you want to connect it to your Squarespace website, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to go. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Squarespace so you can get your domain connected quickly and with confidence. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're on the main site management screen, look to the bottom left corner and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps most of the configuration options for your site, including domain settings. After that, find and click Domains and Email. This section is where you manage anything related to your website address, custom domains, and email setup. Since we're focusing on connecting an existing domain, this is the area you'll be working in. Next, click Domains. This opens the domain management page for your Squarespace site. Here, you'll see options for buying a new domain, managing connected domains, or linking one that you already own somewhere else. From this page, choose Use a Domain I Own. This option is specifically for people who purchased their domain through another provider and now want to point it to their Squarespace website instead of buying a new one through Squarespace. You'll then be prompted to type your domain. Enter your full domain name carefully, making sure there are no typos. Even a small spelling error can prevent the connection from working properly, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once your domain is entered, click Connect Domain. This tells Squarespace that you want to begin the connection process and prepares the platform to guide you through linking your existing domain provider. Next, select your provider. In this case, choose Google as the domain provider. This helps Squarespace tailor the connection instructions to the correct registrar, which can make the setup process smoother and easier to follow. Finally, click Connect Domain again to continue. At this point, Squarespace will move forward with the domain connection setup and provide the next prompts needed to complete the link between your Google domain and your website. As a quick tip, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google domain account before completing the connection. And remember that domain changes can sometimes take a little time to update across the internet. If it doesn't work immediately, that's normal. And that's how to use a Google domain on Squarespace. Once connected, your custom domain will help make your site look more professional and easier for visitors to find.